tiny eyes began to plead from a box so torn and small. Little cries that said it all. Little hearts, big love, pumpkin heard from up above. With a purr and gentle paw, she gave hope when none she saw. Oh, little hearts, big love, that's what heroes are made of. She bent low, no words were said, carried dreams on her soft head. With her baby by her side, they became a furry guide. Little hearts, big love, even when the world feels tough. One warm hug, one brave run, turned the night into the sun. Oh,